Nowadays, technology is all about consolidation, and an all-in-one printer is an excellent example. An all-in-one printer is a great way to save space, stay productive, and maybe have a little fun along the way. These powerful machines are great for home and office use. You can use these gadgets to print, scan, copy, and fax your documents. Take advantage of a wireless connection and print straight from your comfy couch workspace or distant desk. Whether you need to print documents for work, a report card to hang on the fridge, your favorite picture of your pet, or just a simple to-do list, the best all-in-one printers will make the job easy. Number 1. Epson EcoTank Pro ET5850. While the Epson EcoTank Pro ET5850 is an investment, it will deliver the best overall performance when it comes to printing. The inkjet printer can send out sheets of paper at near laser printer speeds, and is one of 2 printers with a 500 capacity sheet tray. This is because the printer has a pair of trays rather than one. The EcoTank Pro ET5850's most practical feature is its use of ink bottles rather than cartridges. Epson says you should be able to use this printer regularly for 2 years without having to add any ink. It goes on to clarify this means 7,500 monochrome or 6,000 color prints, which is very impressive. You will pay a heavy upfront cost for this printer but won't have to continually pump money into ink cartridges frequently. This also makes the EcoTank Pro ET5850 a more environmentally friendly feature because you won't have to worry about ink cartridges ending up in a landfill or toxic ink being disposed of improperly. This is the ultimate inkjet printer and a great get for small businesses or a cluster of folks working remotely. Number 2. HP OfficeJet Pro 9025e. The HP OfficeJet Pro 9025 has some impressive options when it comes to wireless connectivity. While you can connect it to your computer or network over USB or Ethernet, you'll be able to hook it up to your home's Wi-Fi network for wireless printing from all your devices. Through a process called self-healing, the printer can automatically detect any issues and automatically trigger a 3-stage reconnection process. This will save you the frustration of turning to a manual, YouTube tutorial, or customer support. This will be easier using HP's Smart Access app on iOS or Android since the printer's built-in screen is on the smaller side. Its final inventive wireless feature is support for Amazon's Alexa, which allows you to use an Echo or other connected speaker that works with that smart assistant to begin print jobs using your voice. All of these wireless features are complemented by raw printing performance, as this printer can send out pages at a rate of up to 24 pages per minute from its dual sheet trays, which have a total capacity of 500 sheets. Number 3. HP SmartTank 7602. We dubbed the HP SmartTank 7602 the best all-in-one option in our guide to the best home office printers, and the presence of a built-in fax has earned it a place here. It has a high upfront cost, but like the Epson EcoTank Pro ET5850 it uses ink bottles as fuel rather than cartridges. HP says you should get roughly 2 years of regular printing without buying another bottle but clarifies it means roughly 6,000 monochrome or 8,000 color pages. Regardless of the metric you follow, you shouldn't have to think about ink for a long time. The EcoTank ET2800 can up to 15 pages per minute, which is faster than the average inkjet printer but can't touch the performance of laser printers. This speed will come in handy whether you need to print documents quickly for a client, or want to make fast copies. Many all-in-one printers have cut out their fax functionality, but it's still present here. You may not use this feature often but will be happy to have it on the occasions when you do. Number 4. Brother MFCJ 1010DW. Brother's all-in-one MFCJ 1010DW inkjet printer is very similar to our best overall pick but is offered at a much lower price. Its paper tray has the same capacity, and it's similar physically, though this model has a fax, which isn't common in all-in-one printers anymore. The MFCJ 1010DW's standout technical feature is called the print gauge, which displays how many pages you can print before needing to replace your ink cartridge. This is a lot more helpful than a vague graphic and may help you avoid the annoyance of having to run out in the middle of the night to get more printer ink. Brother focused on practicality rather than cool but unnecessary extras with the MFCJ 1010DW, and it's an excellent all-in-one printer for its price. Number 5. HP OfficeJet 250. HP's OfficeJet 250 printer is a great tool to keep around the house or take with you on the go. It has a built-in rechargeable battery that lasts up to 90 minutes per charge and both wired and wireless connectivity options. It can even connect to devices over Bluetooth, which makes sense since you may not have an active Wi-Fi network when you're printing out in the field. Despite its size and portability, This model is still an all-in-one. It can print, scan, and copy, a rarity amongst portable printers. While its printing speed is slower than our other recommendations, the printer will throttle even more if it's running on battery power. This is to be expected as a trade-off given its small size and portability. The HP's OfficeJet 250 may be expensive, but its true level of portability more than makes up for this.